Hi everyone, and welcome to my review of the 2024 BMW X7. This is BMW's flagship SUV, and it's packed with features and performance. In this video, I'll take you on a tour of the interior and exterior, and I'll also share my thoughts on how it drives. Exterior. The 2024 X7 has a bold and aggressive exterior design. It features a large grille, LED headlights, and a muscular stance. The X7 is also available in a variety of colors, so you can find one that matches your personality. Interior. The X7's interior is just as impressive as its exterior. It features a spacious cabin with comfortable seating for up to 7 passengers. The dashboard is dominated by a large touchscreen infotainment system, and there are plenty of luxury features available, such as heated and cooled seats, a panoramic sunroof, and a premium sound system. Performance. The X7 comes with a variety of powertrain options, including a turbocharged 6-cylinder, a twin-turbo V8, and a plug-in hybrid. No matter which option you choose, the X7 is sure to deliver plenty of power and performance. Driving. The X7 is surprisingly agile for its size. It handles well and is responsive to steering inputs. The ride is also smooth and comfortable, even on rough roads. The 2024 BMW X7 is a luxurious and powerful SUV that's sure to please even the most discerning buyers. It's packed with features, it performs well, and it looks great. If you're looking for a large SUV that can do it all, the X7 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching my review of the 2024 BMW X7. I hope you found it helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.